Hey guys, it's me, Cookie. We found out that Pizza was dead yesterday. I'm not really sure how to feel about it yet, but I'm gonna go talk to my friends and see what they think. Hey guys. Oh, hey Cookie. We're sorry about what happened yesterday. No, it's okay. But did you find out who killed him? No. But we checked everywhere, and the only thing we could find was a a scratch mark. Yeah, and it was from a big orange cat. I wonder who it could have been. Possibly Garfield. Garfield wouldn't kill people, silly. He's not real.